Welcome back to what we have dubbed the epic season. Voice after voice blew us away this year, and it was really hard to say goodbye to a contestant. Now, I'm sure you won't mind a walk down memory lane, so here's a look back on season 19.
Good evening and welcome to season 19 of Digicel Rising Stars.
Listen, girl, listen, girl, listen.
It's been a long
Another strong start to the competition.
I keep on falling in and out.
I have to find another word. I have to find another way to express myself.
You have your own ground to stand, and I'm looking forward to it.
The way you control your voice, me say yes musician, yes singer. There is no doubt that you can sing. So you know I love your voice, right? I appreciate what you bring to the show.
Bad girl, talking about the sad girl.
You got the assignment, and I like how you delivered your assignment.
Can't you see I can give you everything you need?
Let me tell you something, there is something so special about your voice. Anthony stopped doing what he was doing and started clapping in the middle of your performance.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me.
Barring an avalanche of votes in the finals, you've won the competition. And both of you looking really spiffy tonight, but it's got to be Tamisha.
The contestants who received the lowest amount of votes and who will not continue in the competition is Sasha.
You'll never find.
Conroy selected two brand new contestants and a familiar face to sing for their spot in tonight's show.
Next to me.
Oh my God, the words cannot explain how I feel to be on this stage tonight.
Next to me.
I feel lucky.
Oh, baby.
I feel very proud of myself to be here, honestly. Oh my goodness.
Gosh, that was so entertaining. Everybody gave it their absolute most. It's wow. I really thoroughly enjoyed that.
But the three of them, Destiny's Child, look here to me.
Well, it's a tough one because they're all talented young ladies.
I say, come on, we will be blessed for eternity. Each is given a bag of truth.
Boy, I mean, you know, that's such a cool song, but both of you are so sort of dispirited and disconnected.
So last week we mentioned that we had a big announcement to make, and it's finally time. I have decided to close the curtains on my hosting duties on Digicel Rising Stars. Of course, I won't be leaving you all alone. I want to welcome the new host of Digicel Rising Stars, Talia Suarez! The 2023 Digicel Rising Star. That decision is up to you, and all you have to do is vote. 1, 2, 3.